everyone, welcome back to Ms. English Vibes channel, your daily destination for learning English the easy and fun way. I'm your host, Emily.
And I'm Paul. If you're new here, welcome to the family. This channel is specially made for beginners who want to speak English confidently.
And today's episode is super exciting, Paul. We're going to talk about the 50 most common English words that every beginner must know.
Exactly, Emily. These are the words you will hear and use every single day, so make sure you watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to Ms. English Vibes channel.
All right, let's jump right in.
Okay, Emily, let's start with the most basic words. The first ones are I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Yes, Paul. These are called pronouns. We use them instead of names. For example, instead of saying, Hamna is my friend, we say, she is my friend.
Perfect. Now let's add some more. This, that, here, there.
Oh, I love these words. For example, this is my book, or that is your pen. Simple, right?
Super simple. Now, beginners, repeat after us. This, that, here, there.
Great job, everyone. Now, Paul, let's talk about action words, also called verbs.
Yes, the most common ones are is, are, was, were, have, has, do, does, go, come, see, know, think, want, need.
Wow, that's a lot. Let's use them in simple sentences. I am happy. Here, am is our verb.
Or, she has a dog. Here, has is the verb. These small words are so important in English.
Absolutely, Paul. Beginners, these words will appear in almost every English sentence you make, so practice them daily.
And the best way to practice? Keep watching Miss English Vibes channel.
Yes, daily videos, daily improvement.
Okay, moving on. Now let's talk about adjectives, words that describe things.
The most common ones are good, bad, big, small, new, old, happy, sad, fast, slow, easy, hard, beautiful, important, right, wrong.
Let's use them. This is a good idea. Or English is easy. See how these words make our sentences more interesting?
Exactly. Without adjectives, our sentences would be so boring. Imagine just saying, that is a bag versus that is a beautiful bag. Big difference, right?
Huge difference. And beginners, you don't need to memorize all of them in one day. Just learn 2 or 3 words daily, and you'll be fluent before you know it.
That's such great advice, Paul. Slow and steady wins the race.
Now, Paul, this section is really important. Connector words.
Oh, yes. These are and, but, or, so, because, if, when, before, after, also, to, very, really, just, only.
These words connect our sentences. For example, I like tea and coffee. Here, and is connecting 2 things.
Or, I want to speak English, but I feel shy. Here, but shows contrast.
Beginners, these small words make your English sound so much more natural and fluent.
Absolutely. Once you start using connector words, people will think you've been speaking English for years.
That's so true, Paul.
Okay, Emily, last section. Question words.
Ooh, my favorite. These are what, where, when, why, who, how, which, how much, how many.
These 9 words can help you ask any question in English. For example, what is your name? Or where do you live?
Or, how are you? Probably the most common English question ever.
Yes. And beginners, once you know these question words, you can have a basic English conversation with anyone.
That's the goal, right? To speak confidently with anyone, anywhere.
And that's a wrap for today's episode on Miss English Vibes channel. I hope you learned something new today.
If you found this helpful, Please like this video and subscribe to Miss English Vibe.